So today we are going to learn about object classes. So let's begin. First of all, we must know what is object and what is class. First, let's talk about class. So we have here class. A class acts as a container. Okay. What it does is it links many of objects and many of the functions together, data members together. Suppose you are in a classroom. Let's take the example of a classroom. So what will you need? All the students have something common, and that common thing will be like your dress. Okay. Next thing you will have to do is follow the rules. Okay. You all will follow the same rules. You all will dress the same clothes, not same clothes, but similar clothes, own clothes. And next thing, you will study together. You will study the same thing which the teachers will teach you. It's not like that. If one student will study one thing and another will do another thing. So it's called a class. So it's all about class. That class is a container which contains same data members and function which is common for all of its objects. Like if you are in a class, then the class is actually a container, and now it comes to your turn. So in your turn, it becomes like, in your terms, it becomes, if you are a student of the class, then compulsorily you are an object of the class. You have the same things and same functions as that class, including you are gonna represent that class if you are gonna do something shameful or something better in the school. In the same way, the class and objects are in programming as well. They represent as a representative. They represent themselves as a representative of a class. And it's a strict rule in OOPS programming languages that if you are not a student, then you are not, sorry to say, but if there is no object, you cannot call a class members. Okay. So what you have to do is, first of all, you have to create a class, and now you can make its object. Object will act as a representative. Okay. And it will acquire all the functions, all data members, and member functions. Okay. And I hope you understand what are data members and what are member functions. Data members are the variables declared in the class, and that member functions are the functions which are declared in the class, defined as well. So you can call all of them using an object, and there is single class for every object. Okay. So for every object, as if suppose there are 48 students in your classroom, okay, and 48 of them have a single classroom. Okay, they will have a single classroom, and they can confirm, they can do whatever they have common in the classroom, and none other people from other classes are going to do anything to you. Okay, so this is a simple work of object and class. Object and class, or you can say class and object, is the most important part of OOPS, that is object-oriented programming. Simply it says object-oriented programming. Okay, and object-oriented programming helps us in many ways. Later I will teach you about the SS specifiers. Then you are gonna know about this all. And thank you. This was for today.